Very good morning, students. Yes, take out your computer book and copy. Yes, so we have done section A and part A, fill in the blanks, right? Today we will do B part of section A. This is true or false. Okay, so first one is a computer has an IQ. True or false? False. Second one is an output printed on paper is known as soft copy. An output printed on paper is known as hard copy, not a soft copy. Okay, so this is a false statement. A computer has four main parts. Yes, very true. So write TRUE, true. MU stands for memory utility. No, MU stands for memory unit. So this is a false. A CPU consists of AU and LU. A CU consists of ALU, ALU, CU and MU. So this is false. The information that we see on a monitor is known as soft copy. Yes, true. TRUE, true. Function keys are placed on the right side of the keyboard. No, at the top of the keyboard. So this is a false. Next is C part, match the following. So right, first one is I give output on a paper. I give output on a paper. Second is whatever you type, whatever you type and draw can be seen on me. I am not afraid of a cat. I am not afraid of a cat. Cat sit on a mat. Sit on a mat. Have a long tail. Have a long tail. Can send email. Can send email. I am a part of CPU. I am a part of CPU and do arithmetic calculations. And do arithmetic calculations. Next is control all the activities of a computer. Control all the activities of a computer. All the activities of a computer. Right side, first one is mouse. Second one is CU, control unit. ALU and monitor printer. Monitor printer, right? Yes. So I give output on a paper is printer. Whatever you type and draw can be seen on me, monitor. I am not afraid of a cat, sit on a mat, have a long tail, can send email, mouse. I am a part of CPU and do arithmetic calculations, arithmetic logical unit. Control all the activities of a computer, control unit. Okay, so this is your classwork, and learn all the exercises of section A. Okay, thank you class and have a nice day.